If you should lose your cleaning equipment, field expedients may have to be employed. A piece of heavy wire, for instance, may serve as a limited substitute for your cleaning rod. Or, if you run into a friendly mechanized patrol, you might borrow the bore brush and cleaning rod of the 50 caliber machine gun to clean the chamber of your M16A1. Or you can use the cleaning brush which is carried by the grenadier to clean his 45 caliber pistol. It's not a perfect fit, but it'll do the job. In fact, almost anything can be used in an emergency to keep that chamber clean. Even a bamboo stick and a piece of cloth, but it must be kept clean. In damp or rainy climates, corrosion is a constant problem. Under these conditions, if a round has been in the chamber overnight, extract it. Wipe it off to remove the moisture. This will prevent the spent round from freezing in the chamber and possibly causing a malfunction during extraction. Next, remove the charging handle and bolt carrier group. Then, using a section of cleaning rod and a dry rag, thoroughly wipe out the chamber. Remember, your rifle deserves the best care you can possibly give it. Without the proper care and maintenance, all rifles will eventually fail. When you're hotly engaged with the enemy, where every bit of firepower counts, the failure of your rifle is about the worst thing that can happen to you. If your weapon fails to fire, first apply immediate action. Slap the magazine lightly and strike the forward assist to ensure that the magazine and bolt are fully seated. If the weapon still fails to fire, you'll have to find out why. First, clear your weapon. A jammed round could be caused by double feeding created by a failure to extract. If you suspect a rim shear, use your cleaning rod or substitute to dislodge the cartridge case from the chamber. This stoppage was caused by a rim shear, which may have resulted from corroded ammunition. Assuming all your ammunition is corroded, insert the magazine in the weapon. While oil in the chamber is normally to be avoided, at times like this it may be the only thing that will get your rifle back in action. So squirt some LSA directly into the receiver to reduce the chances of a recurrence. This expedient is only temporary, and normal maintenance must be performed as soon as possible. Oil may also be useful in another type of emergency. When changing magazines, you may accidentally get dirt into the fresh magazine. You know it's your last one. And you're concerned about getting dirt into the chamber, which may cause a stoppage. Here again, a little oil may prevent a lot of trouble. It may assist in seating a dirty round that might not otherwise chamber. Once again, these are only field expedients and do not replace normal maintenance. But when an emergency arises, you must be prepared to take whatever steps are necessary to meet it. At times like this, you can't worry about what might be good or bad for the weapon. All you need to worry about is how to keep it firing. Remember, the M16A1 is a fine rifle. When used in the conditions for which it was designed, such as close-in jungle fighting, it is probably the best rifle ever issued to the American soldier. But it won't perform the way it was intended to perform unless it is given reasonably good treatment and the proper care and cleaning. These emergencies you have seen will require you to use field expedients in order to keep your rifle firing. Remember these expedients or others you may think of yourself, but use them only when absolutely necessary and follow them with complete maintenance as soon as possible. Then the M16A1 will give you the confidence and the necessary firepower to accomplish your missions. Remember, proper fire control is essential in all combat situations. In this film, however, the M16A1 was fired primarily in the automatic mode in order to emphasize that the weapon will continue to function properly after malfunctions are corrected. Mission accomplished. The patrol returns intact.